नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर आरती पुरोहित, JVN, प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पैथोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंसेज. Today we are going to start a new lecture on a topic ABO blood group system. We are going to start the practical for ABO system. As you all know that every RBC contains the antigen part of A, B and D, that is Rh positive or negative. For that we are going to know whether the RBC is positive or negative for Rh blood grouping. So for this we need this ABO blood grouping reagent. This is an anti-D, this is anti-B and this is anti-A, that is blue color. And we need that sample also. This is a sample. In this given sample we will know. We'll start this practical as we take one drop of RB blood on one side of slide and one drop on another side of slide. We'll add this anti-A serum in first drop of blood and anti-B serum in second drop of blood. If coagulation happen and agglutination appears and there is a clumps in the blood, that means there is a positive reaction. And if the agglutination will not happen and there will be no clumping, that means it is a negative. If clumping happen in A grouping, that means it is patient is having a A blood group, and if clumping happen in B blood group, that means it is patient is having a B blood. Just add one drop of anti-A in first blood drop and add the one drop anti-B serum in the second drop of blood. We'll mix it properly by this stridor. Wait for 10 seconds. And see the result. See, there is a clumping in A, not in B. That means anti-A reacted with its antigen, that is A antigen, on RBC surface, and there is a clumping in anti-A reagent. That means patient is having the A blood group, not B. If clumping will happen in both the drops, that means that patient is having the AB blood group. And if there will be no clumping in both the side, that means patient is having the O blood group. We need to know the blood grouping system for transfusion to avoid some illnesses. Now we wash this slide as we know that it is having a blood group, but we for knowing that patient is having the Rh positive or negative, for that we'll again add one drop of blood on another slide. And add the anti-D reagent, that is transparent clear fluid, anti-D serum. Again stir well with the stridor. And wait for 10 to 15 seconds for reaction see there is a clotting and clumps is there, agglutination happened, that means patient is having A positive blood group. So in this given sample, the patient has A positive blood group. That's all for this practical. I hope you enjoyed this session and you understand how you will know whether patient is having which blood grouping. And this blood grouping system is very necessary for transfusion and some illnesses. As the patient who is having the O blood group, that is a universal donor who can give the blood to everybody, and the patient is having the blood group AB, that is universal acceptor, that cannot give blood to anybody, but it can receive blood from everybody, and patient is having the blood group A positive, that can give the blood to A positive patient. To avoid the RH incompatibility cases, that if mother who is pregnant and who is having the RH negative blood, and the baby who is in womb that is having the positive blood group, RH positive blood group, that there can be a reaction. This is called the RH incompatibility. For that we should to avoid that circumstances, we have to know whether the mother and fetus has the positive or negative blood group. Thank you so much.